going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. Another unboxing video. This time I did a trade with a fellow member on a page that I'm on. I ended up trading some end caps. I had two sets of gold end caps that I wasn't using, so I went ahead and asked this individual if he would be interested in them, and he said yes. So he offered me this amplifier on trade. So I don't have anything to put these in right now. So pack job A+. Joe, you did a good job. Except for the packing peanuts. I'm just kidding. So we'll take this out as carefully as we can without disturbing all the packing peanuts and spreading them everywhere. Got a couple over here, some down here. All right, now let's get this out of the way. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, look at that, freebies. All right, I'm gonna have to go through here. Oh, holy, okay, more freebies. Definitely have to go through this box. Hold on. Sorry, I'm going through it off camera. Okay. He threw in a 400 hertz crossover card. Sweet. I actually don't have one of these brand new in the package. Be able to use that. He threw in some fuses, which I have some new in the package, but they're 30 amp, not 40 amp. So thank you very much, Joe. Appreciate that. Now we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of it. So let me get you guys down here just a little bit more. So as you probably have already known or already seen by the video, this is a 750S. It's a power 750S. Here we have, let me get this out of the way, a Rockford Fosgate 750S. As you can see there, we'll kind of go through like we did before with the other amplifiers. We'll do the Star Wars theme. I'll add it in here. Not really. The Power 750S. Here is the back side. 750S Power. Actually, really clean amplifier. Actually, a lot cleaner than what I was expecting. So what I'll probably do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to hook it up, make sure that it works, and there's nothing wrong with it. I don't see any reason why there would be anything wrong with it. Take a toothbrush over it real quick just to kind of get some of the dust and stuff out of the bottom here. Excuse me. Then we'll fire it up and see if it works. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably make another video because I've kind of stopped collecting a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start making newer videos on the products and stuff that I already have. So meaning like this amplifier, will go into more detail with it. I'll take the end caps off. We'll look at the terminals. The back here, we'll take the back plate off. We'll take a look at the guts of it and stuff like that. So if you're into those kind of videos where you'd rather see the actual amplifier itself versus me opening the item and taking it out, then drop me a comment down below and let me know. I'm all for going through and talking about the items and opening the things up for you guys to see. So leave me a comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell an enemy. And until next time, catch you later.